If somebody comes positive in cervical cancer screening, अगर किसी का HPV पॉजिटिव आता है, then what is the further management? आगे क्या करते हैं? What we do next is something called as triage. हम ये जानते हैं that whether this patient is high risk, we need to take the immediate step, or is this patient the low risk. HPV पॉजिटिविटी की ट्राइज 3 तरह से कर सकते हैं. सो इफ द पेशेंट हैज कम आउट टू बी HPV पॉजिटिव ऑन सर्वाइकल कैंसर स्क्रीनिंग, उसकी 3 तरह से ट्राइज होती है. Either do a genotype for HPV, try to know which gene is positive, do a visual inspection using acetic acid, or do the cytology. इनमें से कोई भी एक तरीका will help you in doing the triage. In case the genotype high risk 16 and 18 are positive, it's a high risk category. In case your visual inspection with acetic acid seems positive, it's a high risk category. In case cytology shows SCUS, atypical squamous cell of undetermined significance, or anything above that, like L-cell or S-cell, again it's a high risk. In all these 3 categories, the management is same. सबका management same है. You will take the patient for colposcopy and the biopsy. सब में आप colposcopy and biopsy करोगे. अब suppose ट्राइज में पेशेंट नेगेटिव आता है. इट मीन्स पेशेंट HPV पॉजिटिव था, but the genotype was low risk. It was not a high risk genotype. It was a low risk genotype. और पेशेंट का आपने वाया किया, वो नेगेटिव आता है. या फिर आपने साइटोलॉजी किया, you did the cytology and that came out to be negative. These all are the low risk patients, and here the management of all of them is same. What is it? You will repeat the HPV after 1 year. क्योंकि एक बार HPV पॉजिटिव आया है, you will not ignore it. You will repeat it after 1 year. If after 1 year it comes out to be negative, then you take the patient to routine screen. Tell them कि मैम पहली report was maybe a mistaken report. You can go back to a routine screen. Suppose second time में भी वो HPV फिर से पॉजिटिव आता है. Now you don't need triage. This patient has come out to be positive 2 times. You will directly take this patient for colposcopy and biopsy. Simple.